If you've ever traveled and suddenly got hit with Spotify's, you can only use Spotify abroad for 14 days message, you know how frustrating it is, especially when all you want is your playlist on the go. Today, I'll walk you through the easiest ways to fix this in 2025 so you can keep listening without interruptions. So, why does this even happen? Spotify uses your account's country or region to verify your location. If you stay abroad longer than 14 days without updating your settings, the app flags it and blocks playback. But the good news is, the fix is simple. The first and most reliable method is updating your country or region directly on your Spotify account. Just head over to the Spotify website and log in. Go to your account settings, click Edit Profile, scroll down to the section that says Country or Region, and select the country you're currently in. Then hit Save. There's one catch though, you must physically be in that new country for Spotify to allow the update. If you're on a long trip or permanently relocating, this is the method that solves the problem for good. Now, if you're traveling temporarily or need access before you can update your region, a VPN can also help. Install a trustworthy VPN and connect to a server in your home country. Once the VPN is active, reopen Spotify and log in. This usually bypasses the 14-day limit because Spotify sees you as being back home. Some people are even able to update their country settings while connected to the VPN, but results may vary. Also, make sure your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes old versions create location verification bugs that make the error show up even when everything is set correctly. With these methods, you should be able to fix the 14-day restriction and enjoy your music anywhere in the world. If this helped you out, feel free to check out more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your uninterrupted listening.